Alright, let's talk about machines built to work, not just to look pretty in the garage. Because, let's be honest, most dirt bikes hitting the market these days feel like they're engineered to fail, leaving you stranded, tinkering, or just plain frustrated. They rattle, they struggle, and they demand more of your patience than your wallet. Which brings us squarely to something different. Something that doesn't just promise capability, it delivers it with a satisfying thrum. We're talking about the X-Pro 250 cubic centimeters Dirt Bike Review Beast Mode 2025. This isn't another flimsy import. This is a tool, a partner for the serious rider, designed to take the beating and keep going. Pick it up, or rather, try to pick it up, and the first thing you notice is the heft. It sits dense, formidable. This isn't some featherweight plastic toy. The frame feels like proper steel, welded with intent. No creaks, no give. The large 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels look ready to chew up anything you point them at. There's a utilitarian beauty to it, a black finish that says, "I'm here to work," not, "I'm here for a trophy." It feels substantial, like it could outlast most of the things in my garage, possibly even my own knees. Underneath that stoic exterior, you find the beating heart, a 232.6 cubic centimeter Zongshen engine. Now, if you know anything about small engines, Zongshen isn't just a name, it's a stamp of reliability. This isn't just raw power, mind you. It's dependable power. It means less time wrenching in the sun and more time carving through trails. This engine is built to last, saving you countless hours of troubleshooting and repair bills down the line. Connecting you to the ground is a 5-speed manual transmission. This isn't a crutch, it's control. It means you're always in the right gear, whether you're climbing a steep incline or blasting down a fire road. No slipping, no struggling. Just direct, uncompromised power delivery, which ultimately saves your momentum and your frustration. And for starting, you get both electric and kickstart. This isn't just convenience, it's redundancy. When you're miles out, in a situation where a dead battery would be a major problem, having that kickstart is a safety net. It means you'll get home, period. That saves you from a very long walk and a very uncomfortable story. The inverted front fork provides superb damping, and for the rider, that translates to predictable handling, less arm pump, more control, more confidence on rough terrain. You're not fighting the bike, you're guiding it. And the LED headlights? They don't just illuminate, they illuminate efficiently. More light, less drain on your system, allowing you to push that ride a little longer into the twilight, safely. Now, it's not all sunshine and perfect welds. The reality is, this isn't a machine you pull out of a crate and immediately rip through the woods. There's some assembly required. You'll need to sort out the handlebars, wheels, brakes, and a few other bits. It's not a complete build from scratch, but it's not plug and play either. For some, that's a minor annoyance. For others, it's a proper welcome, a chance to get acquainted with the machine before you push its limits. But considering the quality of the components you're bolting together, that Zongshen engine, those solid forks, a little elbow grease up front, is a small price to pay for the robust performance you're getting. If you're in the market for a disposable toy, keep looking. If you want a machine that feels like a legitimate piece of equipment, built to endure, to perform, and to be a true partner on the trail, then the X-Pro 250 cubic centimeters is worth your serious consideration. This is for the rider who values longevity over flash and substance over fleeting trends. I put the link below so you can check the current price.